What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Which gas do humans need to breathe? Oxygen. What is the chemical symbol for gold?
Al.
Which part of an atom has a positive charge? Proton. What is the pH value of pure water? 7. Which gas is commonly known as carbon dioxide? O2. What is the chemical symbol for sodium?
Na.
Which state of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? Liquid. What is the center of an atom called?